Hello Brittany and Tamara, it's Carmen. I am making this quick video for you to help you in setting up the sidebars for the ad zones with OIO Ad Manager. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to look up your inventory. So go into the back end, OIO Ad Manager, and then Ad Zones, and this will tell you exactly what you have. So here's all the inventory that I added, and what's important here are the zones. So say we want to add a sidebar add to the education sidebar, and we'll note that it's sidebar A is a top spot, sidebar B is zone 19. So I'm going to write that down, zone 19, and now I want to go into the sidebars themselves. Go into widgets, and first off, here's a primary sidebar. This is what shows up on the front page, and this is the basic structure. So it's OIO Ad Zone, our favorite partners, and it's Zone ID 2 is for that Purina ad. And then we have, this is the Facebook widget, and then all these other ad zones which correlate to the ads that are on the front page, and then there's a form right here in the ad zone. And really quickly I want to show you that you can just move these around. They don't have to stay where they are. So if you want to move up this ad zone above this form, you can. If you want to put the form somewhere else, you can. Everything is draggable, droppable, very, very easy and cool. Okay, so let me make this so that everybody can see it. Okay. So into the education sidebar, I have it set up so it already has that Purina ad at the top right. I added inventory so you can make an education sidebar top spot, sidebar A top spot, so you can have whatever you want up here. But right now it's the Purina ad. Then they get social with us, and the first ad zone is already set up in here. And here we go, it's zone 19. Banner ad, center, max empty ad slots to show. So this is if you want to show the purchase here box. Right now it's set to the default, which I believe says OIO Ad Publisher. Then shovel ads on each page. Yes, okay, save. And I want to show you what that looks like. Go to the main page, and then education. Okay, so it's just this empty box right here, but we don't really want that to show to the entire world. So I'm going to go back into the widgets, into education sidebar, and for right now I'm just going to turn that off so it'll say none, and then save. Go back to the front page, and go back to education. And there, so it's gone. Now when we want to add an ad, we're going to go back into the back end, OIO Ad Manager, and then add purchases. Then we're going to hit new banner ad, and I want to make a purchase for zone 19. So we'll just do this as Carmen test, and you can use this if you want to. You don't have to. It just kind of keeps things a little more organized. Education sidebar B, zone 19, and it tells you right there what the zones are. You won't have to always look it up through the ad zones page. So it's approved. Use no follow. Yes, that's just good practices. Okay, stats tracking. Yes. Price, you can put this in if you want to. You don't have to. Paid, yes. If you put not paid, it won't show up. Subscription. So for a subscription, and it says right here, if an ad is set as subscribed, it will continue forever until you remove it. If it's not a subscription, and say you only want it to show up for 30 days, you put days purchase. So if somebody said, I want it for 30 days, and they bought it today, then it will automatically turn off on the last day, so the end of the of the purchase period. Really helpful, so you don't have to go in and turn off all the ads by hand for the ones that you know are short term. So I'm just going to pull something that we have in here. I'll add this in just for an example. You put in the URL, shoppers.com, alt text. You can include this if you want to. If you don't have to. It is good SEO practice, so we'll do no place to hide book cover. In categories right here, hit education. You don't need anything here. Update the changes. Go home, education, and there is our ad. Pretty cool. So that is all ready to go. And to get rid of the ad, you just go back to the ad page and then click delete on that given ad. I'll show you how to do that too. Go into military shoppers, OIO Ad Manager, add purchases, banner ads. We look for that ad. Here it is. Just hit edit. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and delete item. And it's that simple. So all of that is set up now. And you'll only have to include the ad zones once, but I believe there's a way that I can add them all in and turn off the default ads so that you won't have to do that. I'll go check on that now. If it works, then you'll see that on Monday morning. If you have any questions, just you know where to find me. Email me, call me. Later.